Moisturizer to lock in hydration, leaving it feeling smoother, brighter, exfoliating, and softening. 1 tablespoon papaya whitening hand and body lotion, 2-in-1 combination. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. Sugar, give hydration, exfoliation, and natural cleansing. Lotion, keep skin hydrated by locking in moisture. A lotion, sugar scrub used for hand and feet to give, making it smoother and more comfortable. Maganda gamitin para sa ating mga balat. Na nagbibigay itong malambot, makinis, walang aligasgas para sa ating mga kutis. Na nire-refresh nito ang balat. Lotion, sugar. Hand scrub. Ilagay lamang sa kamay. Dahan-dahan i-massage. Na nagbibigay lambot, makinis, nag-exfoliate na rin ito. 5 to 10 minutes, pwede mo tong ibabad. Malambot, makinis na resulta. 2 beses sa isang linggo, pwedeng ulitin. Thanks for watching, guys!